step-by-step how to apply for HIP FSSA benefits. Enrolling in the HIP Healthy Indiana Plan through FSSA Family and Social Services Administration involves several steps. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you navigate through the process. Number 1. Check eligibility. Before enrolling, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for the Healthy Indiana Plan. Eligibility typically depends on factors such as income, household size, and citizenship status. You can check eligibility requirements on the FSSA website or by contacting a local FSSA office. Number 2. Gather required documents. Collect necessary documents such as proof of income, identification documents like driver's license or passport, social security number, and any other documents required for the application process. Number 3. Access the FSSA website. Visit the Family and Social Services Administration or FSSA website. Navigate to the section dedicated to the Healthy Indiana Plan or HIP enrollment. Number 4. Create an account. If you haven't already done so, create an account on the FSSA website. You may need to provide some personal information to set up your account. Number 5. Complete the application. Fill out the online application form accurately and completely. Provide all required information, including personal details, household information, income details, and any other relevant information. Number 6. Submit supporting documents. After completing the application, you may need to upload or submit supporting documents to verify the information provided. Make sure to attach all necessary documents as required. Number 7. Review and submit application. Before submission, carefully review the entire application to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Make any necessary corrections or additions. Once satisfied, submit the application. Number 8. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation message acknowledging receipt of your application. Note that processing times may vary, so be patient during this stage. Number 9. Check application status. Periodically check the status of your application through your online account or by contacting the FSSA office. This will help you stay informed about any updates or additional steps required. 10. Complete any additional requirements. If FSSA requires any additional information or documentation to process your application, ensure prompt completion and submission of these requirements. Number 11. Receive enrollment decision. Once your application is processed, you will receive a notification regarding your enrollment status in the Healthy Indiana Plan. If approved, you will receive further instructions on how to access your benefits. Number 12. Attend orientation if required. Depending on your specific circumstances, you may need to attend an orientation session to learn more about your benefits and how to use them effectively. Number 13. Start using your benefits. Upon enrollment, you can start using your Healthy Indiana Plan benefits for eligible healthcare services and prescriptions. Number 14. Renewal. Remember that enrollment in the Healthy Indiana Plan is not permanent. You will need to renew your coverage periodically, usually annually. Stay informed about renewal deadlines and requirements to avoid any interruptions in coverage. Number 15. Keep your information updated. Throughout your enrollment period, ensure that your personal and contact information remains up to date with FSSA. This will help in receiving important communications and maintaining uninterrupted coverage. By following these steps diligently, you can successfully enroll in the Healthy Indiana Plan or HIP through FSSA and access the healthcare benefits you need. Also, read the resource guide for any additional information. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome. Bye for now.